When you try to open TikTok, it says TikTok is not responding. In this video, I show you how to fix TikTok is not responding problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, make sure you are using TikTok latest version. For checking this, go to your Play Store, search TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Now update your TikTok if available any update version. Then go to your phone settings. Then go to Apps or Application Manager, then tap on it. Then tap on See All Apps. Now search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok. Tap on Force a Stop, then OK. Then tap on Storage and Cache. Clear storage, then delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open TikTok app. Allow. Skip. Now, I hope that this method fixed TikTok is not responding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.